Maruti Suzuki has launched the S-Cross Petrol in the Indian market. The new 2020 Maruti S-Cross Petrol BS6 model is now available in 4 variants and is offered with a starting price of Rs 8.39 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. The 2020 Maruti S-Cross variants on offer include Sigma, Delta, Zeta and Alpha. The top spec S-Cross Petrol Alpha variant is priced at Rs 12.39 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. The Maruti Suzuki S-Cross Petrol uses the same BS6 compliant 1.5-litre K15 series unit, which also powers other models such as the Ciaz, Ertiga and the Vitara Brezza. The 2020 Maruti S-Cross now comes with only the petrol engine offering, as the new 1.5-litre unit replaces the older 1.3-litre diesel from the model's lineup. This is part of Maruti Suzuki's plan for a petrol-only product lineup. The new Maruti Suzuki S-Cross now comes powered by a 1.5-litre K15 series petrol engine. It produces 103 bhp and 138 Nm of peak torque and is paired with the brand's SHVS mild hybrid technology as well. The engine comes mated to a 5-speed manual as standard, along with the optional 4-speed torque converter automatic transmission unit. The Maruti Suzuki S-Cross Petrol will continue to be bought exclusively through the brand's premium Nexa dealerships. Bookings for the new S-Cross began last month for a token amount of Rs 11,000. Deliveries for the same is expected to begin shortly. Apart from the BS6 compliant petrol engine, the Maruti Suzuki S-Cross remains otherwise unchanged. The crossover hatchback continues to offer a host of features and equipment as standard, making it an extremely attractive offering. Some of these features include LED projector headlamps, LED taillights, LED DRLs, dual-tone alloy wheels, Smart Play Studio infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, automatic climate control and a host of others. The 2020 S-Cross continues to sport the look that first debuted on the 2017 facelift, and there have been no major feature revisions either, except the introduction of the newer Smart Play Studio touchscreen infotainment system with its slicker interface. The S-Cross comes across as quite affordable when compared with the likes of Renault Duster, Nissan Kicks, Kia Seltos and Hyundai Creta. Tata Motors has partnered with Oryx Auto Infrastructure Services Limited to provide unique ownership plans to Nexon EV buyers in the country. The brand's flagship electric SUV is now available for purchase via monthly subscription plans. Customers looking to buy the Nexon EV can choose from various plans available, starting with Rs 41,900 per month. They can choose from various tenure periods, which are 18 months, 24 months and 36 months depending upon the requirements. After the subscription tenure is completed, customers have a choice to either extend the plan or return the vehicle. The latest service is currently being offered in 5 cities: Delhi NCR, Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad and Bengaluru. The company claims that the new subscription model will cater to a wider customer base with its customized plans. It will appeal to corporates, employees who prefer to lease, and individuals with frequent intercity job transfers, among others. Speaking about the Nexon EV itself, it is offered in 3 variants, with the base variant priced at Rs 13.99 lakh, while the top spec variant retails at Rs 15.99 lakh ex-showroom. The Tata Nexon EV, when launched, became the cheapest electric SUV sold in the Indian market. The Nexon EV is powered by a 95 kW electric motor paired to a 30.2 kW lithium-ion battery pack. The electric powertrain produces 129 bhp and 245 Nm of peak torque with power sent to the front wheels. The electric SUV features a claimed driving range of 312 km on a single charge. This can be slightly less with the actual usage depending on several factors, and the real-world mileage is rated between 250 km and 300 km. The charge times for Nexon EV via a home charger are rated between 7 to 8 hours for a complete charge, while charging the SUV through a fast charger can charge the batteries from 0 to 80% in just 60 minutes. The Tata Nexon EV features a host of equipment including keyless entry, a push-button start-stop, full automatic climate control and a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, among others. TVS Motors had recently launched the BS6 version of the successful gearless scooter TVS Ntorq. TVS now has come up with the newest edition of TVS Ntorq. TVS Motor Company launched a new paint scheme of the Ntorq 125 Race Edition scooter in the Indian market. The newly introduced yellow and black dual-tone paint scheme is priced at Rs 74,365 ex-showroom Delhi. The new paint scheme is available for bookings at dealerships across the country. Previously, the Race Edition was available in a single red and black dual-tone color option. However, the company has decided to introduce a new optional paint scheme. The new yellow-black paint scheme is priced the same as the existing red-black option. The new scooter is expected to arrive at dealerships sometime this month, with deliveries starting soon. Apart from the new color scheme, there are no other changes made to the newly launched scooter. The Race Edition scooter is based on the standard NTORQ 125 model, which features a host of cosmetic upgrades over the latter. This includes a more sporty and aggressively designed body graphics with a checkered flag design on the various elements of the scooter. Some of the other changes on the special edition scooter include the brand's Race Edition emblem with the TVS Racing decals, which signifies the company's racing DNA. The new Race Edition scooter also features a completely new LED headlamp and LED DRLs. Apart from this, other aspects of the scooter such as the mechanicals and engine remain the same as the standard model. Features on the NTORQ scooter includes a fully digital instrument console that features the brand's Smart Connect for smartphone pairing, an external fuel filler cap, 12-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, an engine kill switch, a USB charger, among others. The scooter also features a throaty exhaust note, which is an appealing factor of the scooter. The TVS NTORQ 125 Race Edition is powered by an air-cooled single-cylinder fuel-injected 124cc engine. It produces a maximum of 9.1 bhp at 7000 rpm and a peak torque of 10.5 Nm at 5500 rpm. The TVS NTORQ 125 Race Edition enhances the look of the standard model with exciting graphics. Kawasaki India has launched the 2021 Versys BS6 motorcycle in the Indian market. The 2021 Kawasaki Versys retail at Rs 6.79 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. This makes it just Rs 10,000 more expensive than its BS4 counterpart in the Indian market. The new adventure touring motorcycle is offered with a single dual-tone paint scheme called the Candy Lime Green. The 2021 Versys can be booked online or at authorized dealerships across the country. The deliveries of the motorcycle are expected to begin soon, with the Versys receiving the updated all motorcycles sold in the brand's 650cc lineup are now BS6 compliant. This includes Ninja 650 and the Z650 naked motorcycle. The 2021 Versys do not receive any major updates to the motorcycle unlike its sibling. Ninja 650 and the Z650 received a new instrument console, Bluetooth technology and refreshed design among others. The BS6 Versys continues to come powered by an updated version of the same 649cc unit. The liquid-cooled parallel twin-cylinder engine produces a maximum power of 66 bhp at 8500 rpm and a peak torque of 61 Nm at 7000 rpm. The engine continues to come mated to a standard 6-speed gearbox. It continues to use a diamond steel chassis. Suspension duties are handled by a 41mm USD forks with 150mm travel at the front and a monoshock setup with 145mm travel at the rear. Both suspension units are fully adjustable. The motorcycle comes equipped with dual-channel ABS as standard. Highlighted features of the motorcycle include an adjustable windscreen, a massive 21-liter fuel tank, upright handlebar, and a well-cushioned rider and pillion seat. The Versys can much miles, making long-distance travel a breeze. However, it can still tackle light off-roading owing to the road-biased tires and alloy wheels. The motorcycle still features a semi-digital instrument console as seen on the earlier models. It offers the rider necessary information including gear indicator, trip meter, speed and fuel indicator. The Kawasaki Versys is among the most affordable middleweight adventure touring motorcycle in the country. The Kawasaki Versys rivals the upcoming Suzuki V-Storm 650 BS6 motorcycle in the Indian market. Ford India has launched its new range-topping variant of the Freestyle CUV in the Indian market called the Flare. The new Ford Freestyle Flare version is the brand's new crossover hatchback model and comes packed with features and equipment. Ford will be offering the new Freestyle Flare variant with both petrol and diesel engine options. The petrol-powered variant is available at Rs 7.69 lakh, while the diesel trim is priced at Rs 8.79 lakh. All prices are ex-showroom Delhi. The new Ford Freestyle Flare, being a range-topping variant, also comes with cosmetic updates along with the addition of new features. Some of the cosmetic changes on the Freestyle Flare model include new body graphics on the sides, red and black accents all around, red roof rails, red ORVMs, red scuff plates, black alloy wheels, and a blacked out roof, to name a few. The red and black accents are carried forward to the inside as well. The Freestyle Flare comes with a black dashboard with red accents at different locations. The cabin also comes with exclusive grey upholstery. Other features on the Ford Freestyle Flare also includes a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with inbuilt navigation and the brand's Sync 3 technology, push button start, automatic headlamps, auto wipers, reverse parking camera, remote central locking, automatic climate control, anti-rollover protection, 6 airbags, and a host of others. The engine options on the new Ford Freestyle Flare is the same as that on the standard models on the CUV. This includes a 1.2-liter petrol engine producing 95 bhp and 120 Nm of peak torque. There is also a 1.5-liter diesel unit churning out 100 bhp and 215 Nm of peak torque. Both engines are mated to a standard 5-speed manual gearbox. The Ford Freestyle is positioned between the Figo and the EcoSport offerings from the American carmaker in the Indian market. The Freestyle rivals the likes of Maruti Suzuki Ignis and the Mahindra KUV 100 in the Indian market. Mahindra & Mahindra are offering special discounts on their product lineup. Mahindra is offering huge discounts and special offers across all models in the brand's lineup. The flagship Alturas premium SUV is being offered with benefits of up to Rs 3.65 lakh during this August 2020. The company is offering a host of benefits this month and aims to boost sales as the country celebrates its Independence Day. This offer includes cash discounts, exchange bonuses, and corporate offers across select models in the brand's lineup. The offers are valid until August 31st, 2020. Here are model-wise offer details. The Mahindra KUV 100 Next is an entry-level model from the brand's lineup. The company is offering total benefits of up to Rs 62,000 in August. This includes a cash discount of Rs 33,000, an exchange bonus of Rs 20,000, a corporate discount of Rs 4,000, and other offers of Rs 5,000. These discounts vary depending on the variant and the location of the customer. The Mahindra XUV 300 is a compact SUV from the brand's portfolio. Total benefits of up to Rs 29,500 is being offered to the SUV. This includes Rs 25,000 exchange bonus and a corporate bonus of Rs 4,500. The Mahindra Bolero SUV is offered with benefits of up to Rs 13,500. This includes an exchange bonus of Rs 10,000 and a corporate bonus of Rs 3,500 during this month. The discounts offers are valid across all variants of the SUV. The Mahindra Scorpio SUV is another model that has been in brand's portfolio for a long time, and it is one of the best-selling SUVs from the house of Mahindra. The company has updated the vehicle to meet the BS6 emission norms and are offering attractive discounts around the Independence Day. Total benefits of up to Rs 60,000 are being offered on the SUV. This includes a Rs 25,000 exchange bonus, a corporate bonus Rs 5,000. Additionally, Mahindra is offering a cash discount of Rs 20,000 and other benefits of Rs 10,000 on the S5 variant of the SUV. The Mahindra XUV 500 SUV is offered with total benefits of up to Rs 48,800 depending on the variant. This includes an exchange bonus of Rs 25,000 and a corporate discount of Rs 9,000 offered during this month. In addition to this, the SUV is also being added benefits of Rs 14,800. So guys, this is the right time to book your Mahindra car, and also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel Indian Drives.